Yeah, man, just got in the crib. Well, I ain't just getting the crib, obviously. Changed my clothes, man. About to go pick up those Concord things, man. Of course, y'all already know what today is, and yeah, man, that's about it, man. Let me show y'all that cliche shit that I be doing. Putting the bread 11s on to go pick up the Concords, man. Got the bull shirt with the embroidered Chicago skyline in. Nike swoosh right there. Y'all already know how I do it, man. Gang, gang. See y'all at the mall. Just left Champs. Got that pickup. I couldn't really record in there. They had the music blasting. Music loud as fucking up. But gotta stay on my P's and Q's now. I'm about to get off here. Everybody walking around the mall. A lot of people ain't got bags, boy. Gotta keep your eyes open around here. I see y'all at the car on folks. Okay, quick fucking story real quick. So look, I picked up my pair from Champs. Even though they got like fucking, I don't know why, but this everything is basically connected all together. Champ Sports, Foot Locker, Foot Action, all that shit is all like one under one brand. But whatever. But I picked up my pair and I'm like, man, I really don't want these points to go to waste. So as I'm walking out, it's a long line by finish line. I guess none of them put in the raffle. They just like, oh, I'm just gonna pop up at the thing and get the fucking shoe. No, it's a fucking line till 3. So people just like literally just sitting there waiting. So as I'm passing them, I'm like, fuck it. Hey, anybody want a size 9? Anybody want a size 9? I got a size 9 at Foot Locker. I don't want it. I already got 2 pairs. They like, oh man. So this one dude like, man, how much you charging? I'm like, just give me what the shoe costs, man. You know, I ain't no reseller or nothing like that. Oh man, that's love. So he hop out of line. Boom. He hopped dead out of line. We walked to Foot Locker. Number thick ass in there. By the way, that has nothing to do with the story, but so we get in finish line. I mean Foot Locker. They do little app stuff. Say my name. They had me in line. So we get up line. He paid for the shoe and stuff. They ring up my stuff. And they give him like a size 9 retro 8, which is the air raid joints. They give him the air raid joints instead of the 11s. So he like, man, they gave me a retro 8, man. What's this? I'm like, I don't know, bro. You better go check that out. So me and him sitting there waiting and stuff. And because they gave him the wrong shoe, they took off like $32 or something off the 11s that he's supposed to have bought. So he didn't just pay like basically like 200. Like 210 or something like that for his 11s. I'm like, get the fuck out of here, bro. So he just caught a major steal. Like a major steal. I ain't asking for no money or nothing. He like, man, that's love, man. Love, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. I'm like, man, you know it's all good, man. You know, helping people out, man. That ain't nothing. You know, it is what it is, man. But got my joints and it's in a kid's Foot Locker bag for whatever reason. Got it from Champ Sport, but they put it in the kid's Foot Locker bag. Whatever, but man, finna go to the crib, give y'all this quick review. See y'all a little bit, man. Gang, gang. Yo! What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man. It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker pickup for y'all today, man. Y'all already know what this is, man. But before we get into the pickup, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, sneaker pickup, wherever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And again, at 500 subs, I will be giving away a pair of shoes, man. So make sure y'all subscribe, man. Comment down below under my giveaway video. It should say 500 sub giveaway. And all the rules for the giveaway will be in that video. So check that video out. At 500 subs, I will be giving away a DS pair of shoes in a money size. My size is a money size, so that's why if I miss a shoe, it's gone. I'm not paying resale. So enough all the talking, man. let's get into this pickup. Y'all already know what this is, man. So that's not even Jordan. Y'all know what came out in this box, man. Nike swoosh, old OG box. Give y'all a shot at that tag. Straight from Champ Sports. And these are the Air Jordan 11 Retros, white, black, Concord. Retail price on this was $220. Damn, $220. Except for the dude that I helped out. He got a pair for the low. They took out 30, like $31 or $32 because they gave him the wrong shoe. So they like they refunded some of his money because they gave him the wrong shoe. Like, it was crazy. But I got those points at Foot Locker. But I think at the end of the year they all throw that box away, go away anyways. And bling, blow, burr on the shoes, man. Y'all already know. Y'all already know why we here, man. Y'all already know why we here. Factory laced up, putting the chokehold on that motherfucking the top though. But everything goes to the right. Y'all already know how we get down over here. Gang, gang, gang. And I'm gonna talk about this shoe, cause Jordan is like low key cheating us. But anyways, man, bam. Full 360 of the shoe. All the way around, man. Man, y'all already know, man. It ain't too much to say about this shoe that people don't already know already. But anyways, man, we gonna start with this. Hold up. Let me take this shoe tree out. Of course, Concord color shoe tree. You got the Jumpman right there. That came OG style, but we're gonna start with this toe box, of course, all blacked out toe box. And the reason I'm about to talk about this shoe is because the quality of the patent leather is not like how they used to give us. Like, look at this patent leather. Now this way stiffer, it's harder. You know, it's harder to crease these. Oh, look at the slight creasing on these bread joints. Real slight creasing. You got a crease right there and like a little crease right here. You feel me? I'm gonna take these off actually. You know, not really like too bad creasing, but look how you can just press that in so easily. Like, the patent leather on the Jordan 11s is real. It's very cheaper now. Like, honestly, it's real cheaper now. But they know we gonna buy them, so it is what it is. Factory lace, the OG style, tied up all the way to the turtleneck top of that joint, man. Mesh uppers, all mesh uppers. 1, 2, 3. You already know you gotta have that Jumpman symbol, that Jordan Jumpman symbol right there. Tongue. You have that no Jordan in the inside. I think, yeah, the Jumpman's on the inside of them breads, but not on these joints. You have the Nike Air in the inside. I know you can barely see that, it's dark, but yes, Nike Air on the inside of these, man. And as you can see, you go over here and the Jumpman is facing away from, let me see. Oh yeah, it's facing away on my breads too. I'm not gonna pull all my 11s out, but Jumpman facing away, the 45 and not toward the 45. Of course, you have that 45 on the back. It's not stitched in. I don't know why they don't want to give us that stitched in joint. And these came kind of pre-tumbled a little bit. No, the leather on my pair is actually kind of soft. You know, this little leather on the back of mine is actually pretty soft. But yeah, 45 rope lace system. On the bottom, you have that translucent ice baby bottom. You got the Jumpman Concord pods right there. Carbon fiber, all white midsole, man. You know, it's a Concord, man. This the shoe, man. Like in Chicago, like people was really losing their life over this shoe. back when it released. And I got a story time about this shoe on why I missed it back when it released. What was that, like 2011? Back when it released in 2011. I missed out on this shoe back then. Wasn't my fault. But anyways, man, this is today's pickup, man. Y'all already knew this was coming. I actually got a double up on this shoe. Hold up. What is that? Oh, some wrapping paper on the shoe. And I got a double up on shoe. I got one online and I bought one from the stores. I don't know why. I should have got it from Sneakers App. Maybe I have a better chance of hitting on them Spider-Man joints when they come out. Them Spider-Man ones. And the No L's is restocking too. Look in your apps, look at soullinks.com. The No L's is restocking. So I think next weekend. So get ready, man. And 45s on the back. Jumpman symbols right there. Y'all another little quick look at it. And don't forget, man, subscribe to join that raffle. Comment down below on the giveaway. Check out the giveaway video. Y'all know all the info for that. And like I said at the beginning of the video, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, sneaker pickup, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.